If the day is all about sun and surf, the night has a life of its own. And I'm not talking about dance parties and clubs. I'm talking about sunsets by the bay, a half dozen clams with friends at cocktail hour, board games with the family, fantasy island, fire pits, and stargazing, because you are away from it all. Come, take a look at a home that makes all this possible. Welcome to Long Beach Island. What a lifestyle. Whether it's walking around in your flip-flops and t-shirt, listening to the surf hit the shore, or opening that window and letting the breeze blow through the house all day long. This is what it's all about. It's just comfortable here. Surf City's a tight-knit community, and it's not just a vacation destination, it supports year-round living. A work-at-home lifestyle is possible. Before long, you'll have your favorite ice cream spot, and you'll be talking smack about the latest round of mini golf. The island's a safe place where you leave your doors open. The kids, they're free to roam wherever they want to go. And you know everyone on your block. Hey, you made it. Have you been looking to buy a beach house? This could be the one. It's got 4 bedrooms and, wait for it, a pool. Now in Long Beach Island, the bay blocks are cul-de-sacs. And when not a lot of car traffic, the streets become a playground for the kids to ride their bikes, play wiffle ball, and for you to go to the end and enjoy those sunsets. So let's go look at this gorgeous home. I got the door, you first. Oh, don't worry about me. The first floor goes all the way to the far side of the pool. More important than a place to eat, the kitchen table serves as a spot to get serious about your board games. Who's in? This second floor family room is super versatile and could be anything you want. Right now it's configured as a workspace for those long summer weekends, but just as easily could become a theater when the cousins are over for movie night. Put up a wall, 5th bedroom. There are 6 distinct nooks in this backyard oasis. Behind me, a table for breakfast or lunch. Seating for sunsets or cocktail. Poolside like you're at a resort. The fire pit, the spa, and my favorite, the pool. Cannonball! Hey, stop splashing! Buying a beach house doesn't have to be a dream. Take the first step. Call me and let me show you this wonderful home.